Seen some Nigerians dragging kcee Lipopo for saying that he was not from Biafra but from Anambra State. Yes, he is not wrong in what he said. Technically, kcee Lipopo is not from Biafra because kcee Lipopo business activities and everything he does, just like every other human being in Nigeria, is being binded by the law and the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Even though that all of us, most of we Igbos are struggling to get our freedom as a Biafran state, we are still in Nigeria. So when kcee Lipopo say that it's not from Biafra, that is from Anambra State, I don't see reason why somebody should fault him for saying that, because we are still in Nigeria and we are still being ruled. The law and the constitution of Nigeria is still regulating our activities. kcee Lipopo, being the public figure, must be diplomatic in whatever he does in public. That is why you don't expect him to say that he's from Biafra. He can tell you that he's from Anambra State because Anambra State is a state within Nigeria. Biafra has not become the sovereign state or the country on its own. It's still within Nigeria. So for you to expect him to say that he's from Biafra, he wants the public or the law enforcement agency or other political actors to see him as a divisional element, something that want Nigeria to divide. So he must be very careful when he's addressing the public. So people that are attacking you should stop attacking him. When he said that he's from Anambra State, he's right. He is not from Biafra. He is still right because we are still in Nigeria. I rest my case.